Las partes del coche. Vámonos. Hold on tight, it could get a bit rough. Let's go. La rueda. La rueda means wheel. La rueda. La rueda. La puerta. La puerta means door. La puerta. La puerta. El capó. El capó. So that's the hood, or as we say in the UK, the bonnet. El capó. El farol. El farol. Headlight. It also means lighthouse. El farol. El farol. El parabrisas. El parabrisas. Windshield in the States, windscreen in the UK. El parabrisas. El parachoques. El parachoques. A bumper. El parachoques. El retrovisor. El retrovisor. That's the wing mirror that lets you see behind. El retrovisor. And now let's just go over those again. Las partes del coche. We've got la rueda, la puerta, el capó, el farol, el parabrisas, el parachoques, and el retrovisor. Now have a look at those, because in a minute they're going to disappear from the screen, and it'll be interesting to see how many you can actually remember. So what have we got? La rueda, la puerta, el capó, el farol, el parabrisas, el parachoques, and el retrovisor. How many will you be able to remember at the end of this video? There they go. They're now going away.